Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove two 8mm screws, two captive screws, and two 5mm screws. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Prop the palmrest up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the touchpad. Peel back the tape and remove three 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and slide the touchpad free. Slide the touchpad back into place. And replace the three 2mm screws. Plug the touchpad cable back into the touchpad. Replace the palmrest. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Lay the palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 8mm screws, the two 5mm screws, and tighten the two captive screws in the bottom cover.